Shiba Inu. Related information has recently become widely available, and it has the potential to completely alter the token situation. As a result, you must view this if you are interested in Shibas in general or own any. Now, what recent Shib news is there, and how will it impact your perception of Shiba's worth? In today's video, I'll respond to these queries and let you know about all the recent price-boosting information about Shiba Inu, as well as how there's still a good chance that she's new could make you a millionaire. This video represents a lot of research on my part, so be sure to watch the entire video to avoid missing any information that could increase the price. But first, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is doing on December 3rd before we move on to our topic. Shiba Inu's price today is approximately 932 units. Shiba price is up 0.5 over the last day with a $118 million trading volume. The token is currently the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of over $5.04 billion. There are 549 trillion Shib coins in circulation. On the other hand, coin burns are causing this number to decline daily. The initial supply of the token was 1 quadrillion. The only way to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure is to purchase a hard wallet. View the link in the description below to purchase Ledger's best hard wallet. Guys, please be on the lookout for scammers posing as the channel in the comments. We don't have Telegram or WhatsApp. Let's catch you up on the most recent cryptocurrency news from today before we get to the main story of the video. So let's get started without wasting any time. After the FTX insolvency crisis, the public has been pressuring the Shiba Inu exchanges to post their proof of reserves. Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin all post reserves totaling millions of dollars. Shib, which makes up over $816 million of leading exchange Binance's reserves and only makes up one of their health funds, is held there. The CEO of Crypto.com, Chris Marcel Ick, on the other hand, announced reserve status on Twitter. The 19th ranked exchange for SPA holdings holds 1.85 trading sheet but new tokens in their reserve, which are worth $17.06 million at the current exchange rate. According to a commenter who noticed that over 20 of the reserves are in Shiba, in new Crypto.com claims funds are held in 1 KLUN1 ratio, explaining the large holding. The 4th ranked exchange KuCoin has new tokens worth $40.08 million and 4.43 trillion Shiba in reserve. A small portion of their $2.04 billion worth of assets is represented by this. It would be greatly appreciated if you are still looking. Please click the likes button if you can. It is completely free and greatly aids in channel support. Watch in order to learn the most recent Shiba news. Shiba Inu has reached a historic milestone in the number of owners as whales accumulate, marking this metric's development. We're committed to the long haul. The market has been experiencing bearish market conditions since the beginning of 2022, which has tested even the best diamond hands, hodlers, or long-term owners. According to the block, a cohort is made up of both new investors and Shiba who have held onto their tokens for at least a year. Shib has made progress in this area since the start of the year, with the proportion of hodlers increasing from 1 to 55. A general lack of confidence was observed across the board as a result of the bearish market conditions that were made worse by significant collapses like those of Terra and FTX. The opposite seems to be true for Shiba in modern times, as the number of holders who firmly refer to holders is growing. For context, there are 44s and 31 was respectively of long-term holders or holders of Litecoin and Polygon. According to a recent study by Security-Focused Ranking Platforms, 30 Shiba Inu may be moving closer to becoming a safe haven. Based on chain and analytics data examined by 30Key, which found that Shib is centered around its online community, this conclusion was drawn. Shib's historical social sentiment was rated 79 out of 100 by 30, which suggests that the cryptocurrency online community approves of it. Shiba additionally ranked among the top 10 buy tokens in the last 24 hours among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. Let's move on to the main plot of the video for today. Shiba Inu is due for a +10 revaluation due to the sharp decline and the sharp decline and the sharp decline in value of the US dollar. She purchased a new product, but the price action is shifting away from the 820 unit level, which has been crucial for November. The level of health support stopped bears from going further down, considering how much the US dollar has fallen this month. Accordingly, there hasn't been a repricing yet. It is a given for Shib busts that this recalibration will eventually take effect and force many bears out of their positions for 2022. 2023 will mark the start of the Shib's new era. Shiba's recent price movement has been much better than its staggering declines or meltdowns for 2022. Many traders have been in despair over what to do with their positions since April. In addition to being long used in short cryptocurrencies, the popular trade for 2022 appears to be nearing the end of its life cycle. Several cryptocurrencies are on the verge of reclaiming significant levels higher up from the lows for 2022, and the US dollar has already been declining significantly from its strongest point for 2022. Shib should be trading at 1,000 units at this point, but Shib still has some catching up to do, given that it is still close to its 2022 low and the US dollar's recent weakness. With the small recovery story added, it might even trade at around 1,100 units in cryptocurrency. With this knowledge, we should observe an increase in the value of all cryptocurrencies, not just Shib, which should see a price boost. Many of our subscribers make the comment that they will hold millions of them and not sell any for the next 5 years because they believe in Shiba, new developers, and the true value of Shib. How many are you holding, guys? Please list your Shib holdings in the comments section. Let's thank the shareholder for having faith in and confidence in the procedure. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying it. Additionally, share your thoughts on the Shiba in your token in the comments, and be sure to enable post notifications to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Please be aware before we go any further that cryptocurrency prices fluctuate a lot, so it's possible that it will have changed completely by the time you watch this video. You should not treat any of the information in this video as advice of any kind. It does not constitute financial advice, trading advice, investment advice, or any other kind of advice. To learn more about the most recent Shiba Inu news, watch the video currently playing on the screen. This video's information is intended for educational purposes only, not as financial advice. Prior to making any investment decisions, do your own research and speak with a financial advisor.